Tired of that funky campground water tasting like a swimming pool? What if the secret to crystal clear, delicious water on the road isn't what you think it is? For the past few months, I've been on a mission, testing 7 of the most popular RV water filters available today. I've put them through their paces at state parks, private campgrounds, and even questionable boondocking spots. In this video, I'm going to give you the unfiltered truth, counting down from number 7 all the way to my number 1 pick for the best RV water filter you can buy. Number 7. Camco TastePURE RV Water Filter. Kicking off our list at number 7 is a filter that nearly every RVer has seen or used at some point, the Camco TastePURE. This little blue cylinder is practically synonymous with RV water filtration. It's available everywhere, it's inexpensive, and it's incredibly simple to use. For years, this was my go-to filter, and honestly, it's better than nothing. It connects directly to your hose and does a basic job of reducing chlorine and sediment, which definitely improves the taste over unfiltered spigot water. When you're first starting out, the Camco seems like the perfect solution. It promises to make your water taste better, and to a certain extent, it does. The filtration medium, granular activated carbon, GAC, is standard for removing bad tastes and odors. The addition of KDF, kinetic degradation fluxion, is meant to prevent bacteria growth within the filter itself, which is a nice thought for something that's going to be sitting out in the sun. It's a workhorse that has served the RV community for a long time, and its familiarity is a big part of its appeal. However, after testing it side by side with other filters, the shortcomings of the TastePURE became apparent. The most noticeable issue is the taste. While it removes some of the chlorine, the resulting water is often just dull. It tastes muted and flat, lacking the crisp, clean finish that higher quality filters provide. In a direct comparison, water filtered through the Camco just couldn't compete, tasting noticeably stale compared to the others on this list. Six. Kohree RV Water Filter. This one has gained a lot of popularity, especially because it's often sold in a 2-pack, offering fantastic value for budget-conscious RVers. Like the Camco, it uses a GAC and KDF filtration system to tackle chlorine, odors, and sediment. When I first hooked it up, I was genuinely impressed with the initial results. It delivered a noticeable improvement in taste and clarity, especially at campgrounds with decent city water hookups. The build quality feels a step up from some of the other budget options. It has a slightly wider body, which is designed to help maintain a better flow rate, so you're not waiting forever to fill your fresh tank or seeing a major pressure drop in the shower. For a typical camping season, a 2-pack can easily last you from spring to fall, making it an economically smart choice. The materials are food grade and BPA free, which gives you peace of mind that you're not adding anything harmful back into your water. However, the Kohree is not without its frustrations. My biggest pet peeve during testing was the complete lack of a flow direction indicator. Most inline filters have an arrow showing you which way the water should run, but the Kohree has nothing. This might seem like a small detail, but it can lead to confusion during setup and potentially improper filtration if you hook it up backward. It's a simple oversight that could be easily fixed by the manufacturer. Number 5. AQUA CREST RV Inline Hose Water Filter. This is where we start to see a significant jump in overall quality and performance. AQUA CREST prides itself on its multi-stage filtration process, utilizing both KDF and an advanced granular activated carbon, GLACIER, for a more thorough purification. From the moment I installed it, the difference was clear. The water tasted cleaner and crisper than with the previous 2 filters. One of the standout features of the AQUA CREST is its robust construction and durability. The manufacturer boasts that the filter has passed multiple precision tests, including a 400 psi pressure test and a 100,000 pulse test, which essentially simulates long-term, heavy use. This gives you confidence that the filter housing won't crack or leak under the variable water pressures you encounter at different campgrounds. It also comes with a very durable, dog chew-resistant flexible hose protector, which feels much more substantial than the flimsy one on the Camco. The filtration performance is where the AQUA CREST really shines in its class. It's NSF certified for reducing chlorine, bad taste, and odor, but it also does an effective job at reducing other contaminants like rust and sediment. This not only makes your drinking water safer and better tasting, but also protects your RV's plumbing and appliances from scale and sediment buildup over time. During my tests, the water had a very clean, though slightly flat taste profile, but the clarity was exceptional. It's easy to install and provides a consistently good flow rate, thanks to its wide-body design that minimizes pressure drops. Four, RVGUARD Inline RV Water Filter. Our number 4 pick is the RVGUARD Inline RV Water Filter, and I'll tell you, this one was a very pleasant surprise. It's a strong contender that delivers crisp, neutral-tasting water, making it a serious rival to many higher-priced filters. The RVGUARD focuses on doing the fundamentals exceptionally well, providing a hassle-free and effective filtration solution that you can rely on day in and day out on the road. The first thing I noticed was the taste. The RVGUARD produced water that was incredibly neutral and refreshing. There were no hints of chlorine, no chemical aftertaste, and none of the flatness that some carbon filters can produce. It was just clean, pure-tasting water. This is achieved through a multi-stage filtration process that, like its competitors, uses KDF and GAC to remove a wide spectrum of impurities. Where it seems to excel is in the balance and quality of its filter media, resulting in superior taste. The build quality is solid, designed specifically for the rigors of RV and marine use. The connections are well machined, and I experienced no leaks or drips during the entire testing period. It's a filter that inspires confidence right out of the box. Installation is straightforward, and it's compatible with any standard garden hose fitting, making it a simple plug-and-play upgrade for your existing setup. Another advantage of the RVGUARD is its performance consistency. Throughout a simulated camping season, the flow rate remained strong, and the taste quality didn't diminish. 3. GLACIER Fresh RV Water Filter. Breaking into our top 3 is the GLACIER Fresh RV Water Filter. This filter system impressed me not just with its performance, but also with its smart design, making it a fantastic option for those who might be tight on space or want a more integrated solution. Many users install this system right under their RV sink, and after using it, I can see why. It delivers exceptionally great-tasting water with a very respectable flow rate. The defining feature of the GLACIER Fresh is its ability to produce truly premium quality water. From the first glass, the difference was remarkable. The water was crisp, clean, and completely free of any off-tastes or odors. It made my morning coffee taste better and gave me the confidence to drink directly from the tap anywhere I went. The filter made even the most chlorinated campground water taste like it came from a mountain spring. Installation was surprisingly easy. While it can be used as a standard external inline filter, it's also designed for under-sink mounting, which keeps it protected from the elements and out of sight. Despite being a more compact system, it works very well with the typical pressure from an RV water pump, and the flow rate is excellent, especially for the first few glasses when you need it most. It might slow slightly when filling a large container, but that's a small trade-off for the level of filtration you receive. What also stood out during my research and use was the positive feedback regarding the company's customer support. 2. Beech Lane External RV Dual Water Filter System. Taking the silver medal at number 2 is the Beech Lane External RV Dual Water Filter System. This is not just a filter, it's a complete water treatment powerhouse, and it's my top recommendation for full-time RVers or anyone who frequently camps in areas with questionable water quality. The Beech Lane system takes a 2-stage approach to filtration, ensuring that your water is as clean as possible before it ever enters your RV's plumbing. The magic of this system lies in its dual filter design. The first canister houses a 5-micron sediment filter, which acts as a gatekeeper, trapping all the larger particles like sand, silt, and rust. This pre-filter protects the second, more advanced filter and your RV's plumbing from getting clogged. The second canister contains a premium 0.5 micron carbon block filter. This is where the heavy lifting happens, removing chlorine, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, heavy metals, and other contaminants that cause bad tastes and odors. The result is exceptionally clean, safe, and delicious water. The build quality of the Beech lane system is second to none. The canisters are housed in a rugged metal stand, and all the fittings are solid brass, which virtually eliminates the risk of leaks, even under high pressure. During my testing, there wasn't a single drop of water out of place. This robust construction is built to withstand the bumps and scrapes of life on the road, providing a reliable and durable solution that you can count on for years. 1. FRIZZLIFE RV Water Filter, MV99. This filter system is, in my opinion, the absolute pinnacle of RV water filtration, combining cutting-edge technology, user-friendly design, and certified performance to deliver water that is not just clean, but truly purified. If you want the ultimate peace of mind and the best-tasting water on the road, this is the filter to get. What sets the FRIZZLIFE MV99 apart is its impressive certifications. It is NSF ANSI 53 and 42 certified, which is a major distinction. The NSF 42 certification covers chlorine, taste, and odor, which is standard. However, the NSF 53 certification means it's certified to remove health-related contaminants like lead, mercury, and VOCs. This is a level of protection that most other inline filters simply do not offer. It uses a high-grade 0.5 micron carbon block that ensures over 99% of these harmful substances are removed before they reach your glass. The design and build quality are exceptional. The system features premium brass connection fittings and a braided metal hose to prevent the cracks and leaks that plague cheaper models. One of my favorite features is the included metal stand, which keeps the filter housing upright and stable, preventing it from getting kicked around or damaged at the campsite. It's a small but brilliant detail that shows FRIZZLIFE understands the needs of RVers. YouTube. Ease of use is another area where the MV99 excels. It has a unique auto shutoff design, meaning you don't have to turn off the water supply when it's time to change the filter cartridge. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.